Hello guys, this is how to log in. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to find support on Cengage. Whether you're a student, instructor or administrator, we understand that sometimes you may need a little extra help when using Cengage's online learning platform. That's why Cengage offer a variety of support resources to assist you in getting the most out of your Cengage experience. In this video, we'll show you where to find Cengage Support Center. So if you're looking for reliable and effective support on Cengage, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, at first head towards your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. This page will open. It will ask you to enter your username and password. But if you look below it, you will see support button. Click on it. Now you are in support page of Cengage. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.